Since the original 4Runner hit the trail in 1984, Toyota's adventure SUV has been the do-anything, go-anywhere vehicle for outdoor lovers and thrill seekers. With its body-on-frame construction, impressive off-road capabilities, and gutsy powertrain, 4Runner leads the charge when it comes to SUV toughness. It's why Kelley Blue Book has honored 4Runner as a top 10 vehicle for resale value for the last 9 years in a row. And with 8 4Runner grades in the lineup, there's a great option for adventurers and off-road purists alike. Familiar grades like SR5, SR5 Premium, and Limited round out the core 4Runner lineup. And of course, the TRD badge also remains well represented, with 4Runner now offering 4 distinct performance-oriented grades, including the all-new TRD Sport, which builds on Toyota's legendary heritage by emphasizing on-road performance. This new TRD Sport offers drivers the choice between rear-wheel drive and part-time 4-wheel drive configuration, while TRD Off-Road, TRD Off-Road Premium, and TRD Pro continue to feature standard part-time 4-wheel drive. Similarly, 4Runner SR5, SR5 Premium, and Trail Special Edition also offer available part-time 4-wheel drive, while the Limited grade can be outfitted with a unique full-time 4-wheel drive system instead. 4Runner has always had a reputation for being wild and rugged, with a body-on-frame construction that offers optimized strength and durability. All 4Runners have brawny skid plates to help protect the engine, front suspension, and fuel tank, while 4-wheel drive models also get a skid plate to help protect the transfer case. With up to 9.6 inches of ground clearance and an available kinetic dynamic suspension system, 4Runner is ready to go far off the beaten path with extra wheel articulation to handle extreme terrain. Plus, 4Runner is designed with an available electronic locking rear differential that helps it traverse unpredictable trails. Next, the standard Hill Start Assist control helps keep 4Runner stationary when letting off the brakes on a steep incline. And the available Downhill Assist control helps drivers navigate descents at more controlled speeds. There's also an available Crawl Control system, which automatically modulates the throttle and brakes so drivers can focus on steering, as well as an available Multi-Terrain Select system that allows drivers to choose a preset that maximizes traction in snow, sand, and other terrain. But for 2022, TRD isn't all about off-road, and that shows in TRD Sport's standard X-Ria suspension system. This advanced system cross-links the suspension at opposing corners for incredible on-road handling and stability without compromising off-road capability. Not to mention, every 4Runner also features an integrated towing hitch receiver and a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. But whether you're crawling up a sand dune with Trail Special Edition or driving curvy backroads with TRD Sport, this 4Runner is built to blaze new trails. 4Runner may be made to take on rugged terrain, but its interior is packed with creature comforts and cutting-edge technology that'll take your drive to the next level. Its 8-inch audio multimedia touchscreen keeps music playlists and navigation screens looking their best. With standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's even a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. And when paired with an available 15-speaker JBL sound system, 4Runner is always ready to soundtrack that next journey off the beaten path. But there's even more to love about 4Runner. The audio multimedia system is designed to work seamlessly with Toyota's line of connected services, which include trials for Safety Connect and Wi-Fi Connect, the latter of which turns 4Runner into a mobile hotspot for up to 5 devices, as well as available Remote Connect and Service Connect to help ensure 4Runner stays connected to both driver and dealer. Exploring the wild unknown requires a great amount of space for company and cargo. 4Runner's roomy interior provides up to 7 occupants with plenty of features, like front and rear power outlets for charging personal devices, a variety of storage options, and available power-adjustable driver and front passenger seats, as well as available heated and ventilated front seats to keep those in the front row comfortable, no matter how challenging the weather conditions. Folding down the 40-20-40 fold-flat second row seats opens up a vast cargo area for even greater adventures. And with the available 50-50 fold-flat third row seats on select grades, there's more than enough room for the whole crew. Plus, with 4Runner's signature power rear window standard on all models, it's easy to grab gear at a moment's notice. And if you need a sturdy surface when camping or tailgating, 4Runner can be equipped with a pull-out cargo deck that supports up to 440 pounds. Expert trailblazers and thrill seekers alike always invest in cutting-edge equipment that can help keep everyone safe on difficult journeys. That's why 4Runner is equipped with an array of active and passive safety features. It all starts with Toyota Safety Sense P, a robust suite of active safety systems that comes standard across the entire lineup and includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control that's designed to adjust your speed, helping you maintain a preset distance from the car in front of you. Plus, every 4Runner is equipped with the Star Safety System, a 6-feature suite that's designed to help keep you out of harm's way, as well as an integrated backup camera. And a comprehensive occupant protection system with 8 standard airbags should trouble prove unavoidable. Additionally, all 4Runner grades now come standard with a rear seat reminder feature on the inside, and bright LED headlamps, high beams, and fog lights on the outside. Plus, 4Runner Limited now includes a standard panoramic view monitor, while SR5 Premium, Limited, TRD Off-Road Premium, and TRD Pro all now includes blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert, a great feature that helps detect certain objects that are just out of view. These in-the-moment safety features all help to heighten awareness and decision-making on the road. How can an off-road legend get even more capable? Simple. Give it to the engineers at Toyota Racing Development, or TRD for short. And the result is the TRD Pro Grade, a pinnacle for off-road vehicles with its 17-inch Flowform alloy wheels, aggressive all-terrain tires, and brawny suspension. With a heritage-inspired grille and a thick aluminum skid plate to protect the underbody, this rugged body-on-frame SUV doesn't shy away from a challenge. Plus, TRD Pro now features a standard multi-terrain monitor to help see obstacles underneath the vehicle, as well as the truly electric Lime Rush, an exclusive exterior color that's sure to draw attention on or off the trail. And for an extra dose of style, the new TRD Sport grade is also turning heads and setting trends with its TRD scoop on the hood, black rails along the roof, 20-inch alloy wheels with a machined face finish and gray metallic accents, and unique gray accent stitching throughout the black Softex trimmed cabin. But TRD is just one side of 4Runner's special models. Trail Special Edition is crafted for outdoor enthusiasts with its dark gray 17-inch wheels, Yakima Load Warrior cargo basket, and sliding rear cargo tray. And on the inside, Trail Special Edition adds a 40-quart premium cooler to keep drinks chilled, with tie-down straps and special brackets to safely secure it to the rear cargo tray while driving. For nearly 40 years, 4Runner has led the off-road pack with its tough-as-nails construction and iconic style. Now factor in Toyota's world-class reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, its famously strong long-term cost estimates, and the Toyota Care maintenance plan for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, as well as roadside assistance for 2 years unlimited mileage, and 4Runner reaches a new pinnacle for adventure.